You don't have to spend your money to make it look nice and cute, okay? Because let me tell you, the dollar section, you can find some cute stuff there. So do you want to work from home? Are you brand new at this? Maybe you're starting that brand new side hustle, or you're already an entrepreneur. In today's video, I'm so excited to share with you guys how I created this space with everything that I already had. Things that I had already bought from like the dollar section at Target that really is not even $1. It's kind of more like $5 now. But anyways, you know, it's the first thing that you stop and take a look at Target. And even though you don't need it, you find yourself buying the 5th motivational sign. You know what I mean? So I do have to say a disclaimer. I went to Target the other day to buy some Pampers and Wipes, and I walked down, you know, that aisle. And I bought some markers. I did. Confession, I know. But I was actually just buying some Pampers. But anyways, in today's video, you guys, I want to share with you how important it is for you to create a space that inspires you. And what I actually did was I got things that were all around my house. I got something from the kitchen area. Let me show you. This right here, my bedroom. Okay, I can't pick that up. I even got this thing that was actually in my son's nursery. But yeah, in today's video, you guys, I want to share with you guys how I was able to grab all kinds of little things, knickknacks that I had around the house to create this space. So if you're interested in getting creative and creating a beautiful little space around your home and adding just a little pop of color, then you're in for a treat. Tip number 1, I highly recommend you to find things around your home. Okay, if you ever bought something, high chances you really liked it. You may not have used it, but you liked it. Figure out how you can use that and implement it in this creative space that you're creating for yourself. Maybe you are barely starting your side hustle. Maybe you're already in like an MLA, multi-level marketing, MLM. Maybe you're in an MLM. Maybe you're a brand new coach trying to start that side hustle and you're finally pursuing your passion. Ding ding. Okay, well, I decided, you know, I want to have a space that it inspires me to get up every morning and like literally get some work done. So we've been really wanting to do a couple of things around the house since we've been just staying home. You know, stay home, save lives. My honey took the baby. He's upstairs. If you hear some noise, it's because my honey's fixing the ¿cómo se llama esa cosa? He is fixing the sink upstairs. Bomb music on because it just puts you in that mood like, yeah girl, I can do it. And you just start doing the little cha-cha-cha and this and that, and like your creative juices just start flowing, and boom, you get the idea to create this. All right, so welcome to my office. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour. I wanna let you guys know that everything in here was already in my home. This rug right here was actually in my living room. I moved it over here to my office. I thought it would actually look a little bit nicer. As for the desk is from IKEA. This plant here is from Home Goods. I believe I paid like $39.99 for it. I have had this plant in so many different areas of my home. I had it in the front room, then I put it in the dining room area, and then I put it in the living room, and today, wow, it finds itself here in the corner of my new home office. This little cart is from Michael's. I purchased it when they had that 50% discount coupon, and it ended up coming out to like only $15. I pulled this out from my 1-year-old's room. He actually was stepping on it, so I'm like, you know what, I better take it out because now it was a little bit dangerous. So I took it out. I added some of my main books that I actually read for on a daily basis. So on here I actually put some of my favorite books and the ones that I'm currently working on. One of my favorite books, you guys, and I recommend it all the time, is this book right here. It's called You Can Heal Your Life by Louisa Hayes. So this book right here, you guys, I had to finish in a personal development course, and this book literally changed my life. So if you are in like that self-healing to where you really want to get a little bit more clarity and really working on yourself, I'm telling you, this book is a game changer. One ritual that I have every morning is my gratitude journal. I always write in my gratitude journal. I really enjoy writing things that I want to manifest in my life. So I write in this daily. This right here, you guys, is actually one of my favorites. This is my gratitude journal. Let me show you. Previous videos, you guys know I love writing in my gratitude journal. I love to write out my dreams and things that I'm trying to manifest, and yeah. This right here, you guys, is actually the markers. I really enjoy that for when I'm writing in my journal or my bullet journal. I'm currently in Financial Peace University. And this cardstock right here I just got from my scrapbooking paper, and I'm actually gonna be mailing out some cards for my girls in my Love You More coaching. Something that always inspires me. I'm no longer a single mom, but I was a single mom of 5. I didn't know how I was going to do it, and I've been able to achieve a lot of things. So that's why I want to be able to share a lot of information with other people out there that may benefit from it. On here, I just have a couple of things that have been given to me. My sister gave me these right here for candles, and then this is from Start Today. I haven't really used it. I have it more kind of like a little decor. These also right here are some of my favorite markers. This pillow here is from Urban Outfitters, and then this chair right here is from Marshall's. You can always find a good deal at Marshall's. As for the wall, all right, let's talk about the wall. So this right here is where I write my top 3 priorities of the day, and I really like it because it keeps me nice and organized. This also is from Target. It's where I keep my daily reminder of my passion. Consistency will lead me to success. My favorite things, you guys, and they're from the dollar section. This is where I came up from the idea of I Love You More coaching. It's something that me and my kids always tell each other, I love you more. Good old Marshalls. I love this frame. It's so pretty. Here's my current vision board that I created back in January. And this right here, you guys, I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and I really love it. This is something that you can just literally recreate yourself at home for a fraction of the price. As for the books, I love collecting books. I love reading books. My favorite books that I really think everybody should read is this book right here. I think this book right here is a book that everybody should read. The 5 Love Languages. I think it's a very powerful book. It's been a complete game changer in the relationship that I'm in. I'm really understanding the ways that my honey loves, which is so refreshing, because before I used to be like, why does he do this or why does he do that? The book gave me all the answers. It's up here on top are a couple of my other books. If you see, this is Tarot. Hello. Hashtag I have a 1-year-old who also loves books, so he actually ripped that one, but that's okay. This book right here, Oprah Winfrey actually recommended it. She said that this is the book that really changed her life. So I just got it, and I'm so excited to read it. That's why I have it up here on the shelf. And let's put this back. This right here, you guys, was something that I actually bought for my mom years ago. My mama passed away, so it's just a daily reminder of my mama. And behind it, you guys, it was a letter that I had written to my mom, and she had it. She kept all the letters. I used to love making cards for my mom and writing her letters. If you've ever seen the movie The Secret, then you know that is my gratitude rock. Over here, I actually have a candle that I picked up at Target, of course, good old Target, and it smells so good, you guys, and it just gives it a really pretty look up here. This right here, You Are Beautiful. I love this. I also found that in the dollar section. That's about 3 years. Totally make an area in your room, in your home, anyway, in the living room, a little space for yourself to have your creativity space. All of this stuff, you guys, was already here in my home. I just moved everything around to create this space, okay? Down here, I still have some books. I also have some journals there, and then this is so beautiful. My sister actually bought me this for my birthday in February. It's for my Bible, and I think it's just gorgeous. So I keep that right there. I haven't even taken the tag off of it. So this desk right here is from IKEA. I love markers. I use these for journaling. I use it for my gratitude journal. I just really love them. I separated them, you know, by sections, and then these are a bunch of pins. I have some washi tape there for when I do my bullet journal. I have a cable, And then I have some other stuff. I have my checkbook, and then I have some glasses for when I'm on the computer. I picked these up on Amazon and they're really, really cute, and they were not even expensive at all. A couple of things like some Post-its. I keep a copy of the box for when I do have to get ink again and I forget. I know exactly what the number is. I'll have to open up the printer. Some of my Apple Watch watch bands, and then I have a price sheet there, and then I hid the scissors all the way in the back. All right, so what's on top of the desk? Here's a couple of things that I keep on my desk. This is the passion planner. I also keep my vision board in the back. Let me show you. 12 things that I want to achieve in life. Also living my best life, what I want to do. I am currently on my debt-free journey, and this is actually what I created in the back of my planner. A square for every mortgage payment that I still owe on. Over here was my debt-free snowball. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a video about how I was able to pay all that off, credit card debt and owing the IRS. This right here is something that I wrote in my journal, which is just the Dave Ramsey baby step for me to always know. I am currently on baby step number 2. I could actually be on baby step number 3, but because I recently got laid off, I really don't want to use any money right now. One of my goals is to save 196 squares, which every square represents $510.20. So this right here is just a drawing that I did in my journal. I can't wait till the day I pay off my home. And then in the front, let me show you, are the goals that I have. So this right here is just my passion planner, and then I always keep a notepad. This one right here I purchased at Marshall's. It was $7.99. How pretty that looks. On my desk as well is my camera, another camera I have, memory card. This just makes my heart so happy. Right here, my friend Rosario gave me, and I think it's so awesome because you can just pull out a different quote and it gives you, and then it gives you like a personal, like it gives you like a little message, which I love that. It says, passion and satisfaction go hand in hand. Pretty awesome. Then you flip the card. Don't mind my nails, guys, I haven't got them done. Hashtag quarantine. Hashtag stay home, save lives. You create your opportunities by asking for them. So that's what that says. This right here is just a plant that I actually picked up at Target, and that was also in my upstairs bedroom, and I just brought it down here. Also, this right here is from Target. It's just a mouse pad. I think I paid like $7.99. I have my mouse on there, a keyboard, I have an Apple computer, and then I just have my hard drive right there. This desk right here, you guys, was actually my daughter's. It had paint on it. I took a Mr. Clean and cleaned it, and then there was like spray paint in there as well. And my daughter, my youngest daughter's so brilliant. She's like, why don't we just get nail polish remover and see if it comes off? And boom, it came off. Okay, so I want to create a new vision board, you guys. So I purchased that at Target. So I still have my birthday balloons right there. And if you guys want to create some really inexpensive things, you guys can go on Pinterest and just download the image, print it, and put it in an old frame that you have hanging around. All this stuff right here, you guys, you can even get like a plain sheet of paper and write, she created a life she loved, and just frame it. Get creative. It's so many amazing ways that you are able to make things look really cute with what you already have in your home. Alright, you guys, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. By you creating a space that inspires you, high chances you're gonna get more stuff done. It doesn't really matter where you set up. Maybe you have a little side table, maybe it's your dinner table, and you can just post some like personal quotes around there. And it doesn't even have to be expensive, you guys. You guys can go onto Pinterest and create little things like this that just say I love you. Or you know what you can actually do too? Oh my gosh, yes, you can. So you know what you can do too? You can just get a plain sheet of paper, find a cute quote that you find like on Pinterest or Instagram, I don't know. You know those quotes that you're always looking at and you screenshot them, and then sometimes you may even post them. You can actually just write it like with some markers, you know, Sharpie, I don't know, and just frame it with the frame that you already have around the house and get creative. And you guys, you can do all these nice creative things on a budget. Actually, you don't even really have to spend money. I can assure you that you have something in your home right now that you could utilize it. Now, another great idea is maybe you have something you're like, well, what can I do for this? You guys just Google it or go on Pinterest and type in exactly what you would like to do. I want to create a home office. I want to fix a shoe closet. I don't know. out. But everything, you guys, is always figure outable, okay? Enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't become part of the family, I would totally love for you guys to subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification. That way you never miss another upload. And I will catch you on the next one. Oh, wait. Leave a comment down below. What did you like? Did you see anything in this room that maybe, you know, you liked it or something? Go ahead and leave a comment down below. And if you currently have created your space, tell me some things that you added in there. What are things that you found around your house? You guys get creative. Don't go spend your money. You don't have to spend your money to make it look nice and cute, okay? Because let me tell you, the dollar section, you can find some cute stuff there. All right, go create your space now too. Bye. So if you have not become part of the family, I would totally love for you to become part of the familia. Don't forget to subscribe, and while you're there, turn on that post notification. That way you never miss another upload. And if you haven't liked this video yet, what are you waiting for? I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, you guys. See you.